10th Standard English Poem, Unit 3. I Am Every Woman by Rakhi Narayani Shirke. This poet, she is an Indian poet. She belongs to Maharashtra. She works as a teacher. This poem speaks about women, but not about the beautiful woman. It speaks about the real power and strength and boldness of today's women. This poem is a high tribute to all women. The poem consists of 5 stanzas, 4 stanzas of 4 lines each, and the last stanza of 2 lines. Beauty is an inborn nature of every woman. Innate means inborn. She is a symbol of power and strength. She takes risk in life for she is real and genuine. Stake means risk. She prepares herself to face the difficult times while enjoying a smooth and happy life. During the hard times, she is always sure that there will be a good time ahead. She kindly takes care of ones who are near. She is considered to be the real woman and she has no fear in facing the life. A woman is sure to face many difficulties, but in spite of the sighs, moans, and cries, she is very strong in her faith, firm in her belief. She says determination and hard work is always the most important factor to attain and achieve everything. Here we have the word faith and belief. What is the difference between faith and belief? Though both seems to have same meaning, they have sharp difference. Faith stands for a more confirmed matter and belief stands for trusting some abstract thing. A woman is compared to a lioness. Don't try to play with her. If you do any mischief against her, she will not leave you just like that. Don't try to hurt her pride and self-respect. A woman very well knows how to please a person and also to cut roughly. So be careful. Here in the stanza, prankster means mischievous. Thaw means defrost. Beware means be careful. So these are the special qualities of a woman. So always love her, respect her, and keep her near.